This island configuration for the Mack Trucks Global Exhibit Kit requires building and arranging 4 double towers, 2 single towers, and 4 podiums. The 4 double towers are stacked to achieve the 16-foot high exhibit. We'll show you how to assemble them here. Now let's begin with the podium. The pieces of the MQ-PO-D1 are labeled in purple. Gather your parts. It is recommended to start with the left side on the ground or work surface. Assemble by matching the numbers to construct the podium using the red thumb screws. Then, place the shelf and attach the top of the podium to the Velcro. Next, you will attach the quads. The POD symbol designates the graphics for the front of the podium. The back and sides should be assembled using the solid quads marked with the arrow facing upwards. The pieces of the MQX F14 are labeled in green. Begin assembly with the left hinge side laying flat. Assemble by matching the numbers to construct the frame using the green thumb screws. Green thumb screws are used to assemble the frame, while red thumb screws are used to attach frame to frame. To assemble the MQX F24 double-sided tower, start with the left hinge side lying flat. Assemble by matching the numbers to construct the frame using the green thumb screws. After all the parts have been joined together except for the hinged center vertical supports, place the frame upright, then attach the vertical supports and tighten all thumb screws. For the 16-foot tower configuration, diagonal crossbeams must be attached to provide additional stability. These diagonals are marked with orange stickers. After attaching the diagonals, lay the fully assembled towers flat on the ground. Attach the 8-foot towers together with red thumb screws to complete 2 16-foot towers. Now, as a team, stand the 2 separate fully assembled towers upright. Place the towers separately in your exhibit area. The 2 MQX F14 single towers will then be attached to the larger tower on the right when facing the exhibit. Attach the towers using the red thumb screws. The podiums are to be used in 2 separate L-shaped pairs towards the front of the exhibit area. Next, you'll need to attach the quads onto the frames. Page 5 in your assembly instructions will provide you a visual guide with arranging the graphics. Each graphic quad will adhere easily to the frame with magnets. The graphic of the truck is denoted with a star symbol on the back of the quad. The full Mack logo graphics are printed with a square on the back of the quad. The vertical logos are noted with a triangle. The remainder of the frame will be filled in with black quads. These are noted with a directional arrow. Attaching these with the arrow point upwards on the frame will give you the best visual presentation. It's best to attach the quads 1 row at a time. Check your design to make sure the graphics are straight and neat. Clear your work area, retaining your directions, thumb screw bags, and other materials. Your finished Mack Truck exhibit should look like this.